Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a super simple DIY. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own Christmas ornaments. We're going to be using the Liquid Diamonds casting resin for this project, and this resin is a 2-to-1 ratio, meaning you need 2 parts of your part A and 1 part of your part B. And I like to measure my epoxy or my resin out on a digital scale. There's no room for error when you do it this way, so I'm going to pour in my part B first. I always like to start with my part B just because it's a thinner part, and when you pour your thicker part into your part B, then it mixes a little bit on its own already. So I'm just mixing up 3 ounces for this project. I poured in 1 ounce of my part B, and now I'm pouring in 2 ounces of my part A, making 3 ounces in total. And when you use your digital scale, just put a little piece of wax paper or freezer paper over it just to protect it in case you spill. And I'm just going to mix that up for 5 minutes. And you'll know when it's done because it will be crystal clear and it won't look cloudy or milky like it looks right now. So I'm just going to get that all mixed up and then we will be ready to pour. The glitter I'm going to be using today is the Gatsby glitter from Glitter Chimp. And with the glitter, you can add as much as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you on how much glitter you want your ornament to have. This one on the right here, I'm going to be pouring it just pure glitter. You guys know if you've seen my other videos, I love glitter. And then I'm also going to be using a little bit of clear mixed with the New Star pigment by Resin. The New Star pigment is really, really pretty. It's just kind of like a clear glitter, I would call it. Or actually, it's called Stardust. They have a New Star pigment as well. So the Stardust, I mixed that just a little pinch in with the clear that I had poured into a separate cup. And that's it. That's all you have to do. I'm going to cover these with a roasting pan and let them dry for 24 hours. And here we are. They are all ready to be demolded. Look at how pretty that Gatsby glitter is. Oh, it's so awesome. This one, I actually ended up selling it at my craft fair that I did this past weekend. So I don't have that one. What I like to do is take a little piece of ribbon and string it through and then just tie a knot on the end. And I'll show you guys that here in just a second. But look at how pretty that Stardust is mixed in with that clear. It's just a nice subtle kind of sparkle. I like this one. It turned out really pretty. So and the molds, I got those off Glitter Chimp too, so I will link their website down below if you guys want to check them out. They have really awesome glitters. And again, this was the Gatsby glitter. Their molds come out nice and shiny, so they have some really good prices as well. So see, I just put a little ribbon in and tied a knot. Super simple and easy. I hope you guys give this a try. It's a lot of fun to make your own ornaments, and you can do whatever colors you want. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you on Friday for another video. Bye!